Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. This time, we're hopping across the pond to the absolutely stunning country of Greece. Get ready for breathtaking scenery, ancient history, and delicious food. Because we're about to embark on some epic road trips that'll make you shout, "Opa!" from the mountaintops. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to explore the best road trips Greece has to offer and more. Our first adventure takes us from the bustling metropolis of Athens, a city that seamlessly blends ancient history with modern vibrancy. As you walk through its streets, you'll feel the pulse of a city that has been the cradle of Western civilization. From the iconic Acropolis to the lively Plaka district, Athens is a city that never sleeps, offering a unique mix of the old and the new. But today we're leaving behind the urban hustle and heading to the mystical ruins of Delphi, a place that has captivated the imagination of travelers for centuries. Nestled on the slopes of Mount Parnassus, Delphi was once considered the center of the world in ancient Greek mythology. Picture this. You're cruising along a sun-drenched highway, the wind in your hair and the open road ahead. The journey itself is an adventure, with the landscape changing from bustling cityscapes to serene countryside. As you drive, the Aegean Sea sparkles in the distance, its deep blue waters contrasting beautifully with the rugged coastline. It's a sight that will make you want to pull over and just take it all in. The drive itself is about 2.5 to 3 hours, but trust me, you'll want to make some pit stops along the way. There are so many hidden gems to discover, from quaint villages to ancient ruins. First up, you gotta visit the tomb of King Agamemnon in Mycenae. This site is steeped in history and legend, believed to be the final resting place of the great king who led the Greeks during the Trojan War. Talk about a blast from the past. Walking through the ancient tomb, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the stories of heroes and battles long gone. This ancient burial site is straight out of a history book, with its massive stone walls and intricate carvings. It's a place that makes you feel connected to a time long before our own. Next, we're making a beeline for the sanctuary of Athena Pranaya. This sanctuary was a place of worship and pilgrimage, dedicated to Athena, the goddess of wisdom and warfare. This place is seriously epic, with a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena herself. The ruins here are incredibly well preserved, giving you a glimpse into the grandeur of ancient Greek architecture. And finally, the grand finale, the Delphi Archaeological Museum and the Temple of Apollo. These sites are the heart of Delphi, where the famous oracles once delivered their cryptic prophecies. This is where those famous oracles used to hang out, doling out cryptic predictions left and right. The museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts, from statues to ancient inscriptions, each telling a story of its own. Make sure to pack your walking shoes, because you'll be doing a lot of exploring. The site is vast, with paths winding through the ruins, offering stunning views at every turn. Oh, and don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every moment, from the intricate details of the ancient temples to the sweeping vistas of the surrounding mountains. The views from Mount Parnassus are absolutely breathtaking. Standing at the top, you can see for miles, the landscape stretching out in a patchwork of greens and blues. It's the perfect end to an unforgettable journey. Next up, we're heading north to the city of Thessaloniki, where we'll embark on an unforgettable journey to Meteora. Get ready to have your mind blown, because Meteora is like something out of a fairy tale. Imagine towering rock formations jutting out of the earth, with monasteries perched precariously on top. It's a sight you won't soon forget. The drive from Thessaloniki is about 3 to 4 hours, and you'll want to make sure you have a full tank of gas and a good playlist, because the scenery along the way is mesmerizing. Once you arrive in Meteora, prepare to be wowed. These monasteries seem to defy gravity, and the views from the top are simply breathtaking. You can actually visit several of the monasteries, but be prepared to climb some stairs. It's a workout, but trust me, it's worth it. And speaking of workouts, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even go rock climbing in Meteora. Just make sure you have a good guide and all the proper safety gear. Chapter 3. Peloponnese Peninsula, Myths, History, and Coastal Beauty. Now let's take a spin around the Peloponnese Peninsula, a region steeped in ancient history and blessed with stunning coastal scenery. This peninsula, located in southern Greece, is a treasure trove of myths and legends, where every corner has a story to tell. From the epic tales of Homer to the historical accounts of ancient civilizations, the Peloponnese is a living museum that invites you to explore its rich past. This road trip is all about taking your time and soaking up the sights. We're talking ancient ruins, charming villages, and landscapes that seem to have been untouched by time. Imagine wandering through narrow cobblestone streets, where every building has a story, and every corner reveals a new surprise. The villages here are not just picturesque. They are vibrant communities where traditions are still very much alive. And let's not forget the beaches. The Peloponnese boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, with crystal clear waters and golden sands. Whether you're looking to relax under the sun, take a dip in the refreshing sea, or engage in water sports, these beaches offer something for everyone. It's the kind of place that makes you want to stay forever, basking in the natural beauty and tranquility. First stop, the ancient city of Mycenae. This archaeological site is one of the most important in Greece, offering a glimpse into the Mycenaean civilization that flourished between 1600 and 1100 BC. The city is shrouded in myth and legend, often associated with the epic tales of King Agamemnon and the Trojan War. This place is like stepping back in time, with its cyclopean walls and lion gate. The massive stone structures are a testament to the engineering prowess of the Mycenaeans. As you walk through the lion gate, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, imagining the grandeur and power of this ancient city. You can just imagine the Mycenaean kings and queens strolling through those very gates. The site also includes royal tombs where treasures and artifacts have been unearthed, providing valuable insights into the lives of the Mycenaean elite. It's a place where history comes alive, allowing you to connect with a civilization that laid the foundations for Greek culture. Next, we're off to Epidaurus, a site renowned for its ancient theater and healing center. This sanctuary was dedicated to Asclepius, the god of medicine, and was a place where people came to seek cures for their ailments. The theater, however, is the crown jewel of Epidaurus. Home to the best-preserved ancient theater in Greece, Epidaurus is a marvel of ancient engineering. The theater's design is so advanced that it offers perfect acoustics, allowing even the slightest sound to be heard clearly from any seat. It's a place where you can experience the magic of ancient Greek drama, just as audiences did thousands of years ago. The acoustics in this place are unbelievable. Performers don't need microphones. Their voices carry naturally throughout the theater. It's a testament to the ingenuity of ancient Greek architects, who designed the theater to enhance the audience's experience. They say you can hear a pin drop from the top row. This acoustic phenomenon is not just a legend, it's a reality that continues to amaze visitors. Whether you're a history buff or a theater enthusiast, Epidaurus offers a unique glimpse into the cultural achievements of ancient Greece. And of course, no trip to the Peloponnese would be complete without a visit to Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games. This site is not just an archaeological wonder, it's a symbol of the enduring spirit of competition and excellence that the ancient Greeks celebrated. The birthplace of the Olympic Games, Olympia is a place where history and sports come together. The ancient stadium, where athletes once competed for glory, still stands as a testament to the athletic prowess and competitive spirit of the ancient Greeks. You can practically feel the history as you walk through the ancient stadium. The site also includes temples, altars, and other structures that were part of the Olympic complex. It's a place where you can reflect on the origins of the Olympic Games and the values they represent. And for all you beach bums out there, the Peloponnese has got you covered. The region is home to some of the most stunning beaches in Greece, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. From secluded coves to bustling beach resorts, the Peloponnese offers a variety of coastal experiences. Whether you're looking to unwind with a good book, take a refreshing swim, or try your hand at water sports, you'll find the perfect spot along these shores. From the sandy shores of VueX Beach, known for its unique horseshoe shape and crystal clear waters, to the more rugged and adventurous spots, there's something for everyone. To the turquoise waters of Samos Beach, a paradise for kayakers and snorkelers. The Peloponnese coastline is a haven for beach lovers. You're sure to find your own little slice of paradise. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, enjoying the vibrant village life, or simply relaxing on a beautiful beach, the Peloponnese Peninsula offers a rich and diverse experience that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Chapter 4: Crete Road Trip, Island Paradise Found. Get ready for some island time, because we're heading to Crete, the largest of the Greek islands. This place has it all: stunning beaches, rugged mountains, and charming villages. Rent a car and get ready to explore. First stop, the Samaria Gorge. This place is a hiker's paradise, with towering cliffs and breathtaking views. Just make sure you pack plenty of water and snacks because it's a long hike. After all that hiking, you'll probably be ready for some beach time. And boy, does Crete have some beaches. Elefonici Beach is famous for its pink sand, while Belos Lagoon will take your breath away with its turquoise waters. And if you're looking for a little bit of history, be sure to visit the Palace of Knossos. This ancient Minoan palace is full of fascinating myths and legends. They say King Minos kept a minotaur in a labyrinth under the palace. Don't worry though, I'm pretty sure it's gone by now. Chapter 5: Athens to Pelion, Mythical Mountains and Coastal Charms. Our final road trip takes us from Athens to the Pelion Peninsula, a hidden gem in mainland Greece. This journey is not just about the destination, but also about the experiences along the way. As you leave the bustling city of Athens behind, you'll find yourself immersed in the serene beauty of the Greek countryside. The road winds through picturesque landscapes, offering glimpses of traditional villages, rolling hills, and expansive olive groves. It's a drive that promises both adventure and tranquility, making every moment memorable. This region is known for its lush forests, charming villages, and stunning beaches. The Pelion Peninsula is a place where nature and tradition coexist harmoniously. The dense forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature lovers and hikers. The villages, with their cobblestone streets and stone-built houses, exude a timeless charm that transports you back in time. And the beaches, with their crystal-clear waters and pristine sands, offer a perfect escape for those looking to unwind and soak up the sun. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're looking to relax in a peaceful setting or explore the natural beauty of the region, Pelion has something for everyone. The quiet countryside offers a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the distant sound of waves create a soothing symphony that calms the mind and rejuvenates the soul. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the stresses of everyday life and reconnect with nature. The drive from Athens takes about 4 to 5 hours, and you'll be treated to some amazing views along the way. The journey is a visual feast, with each turn revealing a new and breathtaking vista. From the rugged mountains to the sparkling coastline, the scenery is ever-changing and always captivating. The roads are well-maintained and offer plenty of opportunities to stop and take in the views. Whether you're driving or simply enjoying the ride, the journey to Pelion is an experience in itself. Once you arrive in Pelion, be sure to visit the village of Makronitsa. Known as the Balcony of Pelion, this picturesque village is perched on the side of a mountain and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area. The village is a maze of narrow streets and stone houses, each with its own unique character and charm. The local tavernas serve delicious traditional Greek cuisine, and the friendly locals are always ready to share a story or two about the village's rich history and culture. This picturesque village is perched on the side of a mountain and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area. From the village square, you can see the entire Pagasetic Gulf and the city of Volos in the distance. The views are especially stunning at sunset, when the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, creating a magical atmosphere. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left Pelion. And if you're looking for a unique place to stay, check out the traditional guest houses in the village of Mili. These guest houses are not just places to sleep, but experiences in themselves. Each one is a beautifully restored stone building, furnished with antique furniture and decorated with traditional Greek art. Staying in one of these guest houses is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into the region's rich history and culture. The warm hospitality of the hosts and the cozy atmosphere make for an unforgettable stay. These guest houses are built in the traditional Pelion architectural style and offer a glimpse into the region's rich history. The architecture is characterized by stone walls, wooden beams, and red-tiled roofs, reflecting the region's unique cultural heritage. Many of these buildings have been carefully preserved and restored, maintaining their original charm while offering modern comforts. Staying in one of these guest houses is a great way to experience the local culture and history firsthand. And of course, no trip to Pelion would be complete without a visit to one of its many beaches. The coastline of Pelion is dotted with beautiful beaches, each with its own unique charm. Whether you prefer a secluded cove or a lively beach with plenty of amenities, you'll find the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the sun and sea. The beaches are known for their crystal-clear waters and pristine sands, making them ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Mylopotamus Beach is a must-see, with its crystal-clear waters and white pebble beach. This beach is one of the most popular in Pelion, and for good reason. The turquoise waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling, and the white pebbles create a stunning contrast with the blue sea. The beach is surrounded by dramatic cliffs and lush greenery, adding to its natural beauty. It's a place where you can relax, unwind, and take in the breathtaking scenery. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. Whether you're lounging on the beach, taking a dip in the sea, or exploring the nearby caves and rock formations, Mylopotamus Beach offers something for everyone. The beach is well equipped with sunbeds, umbrellas, and beach bars, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience. So, pack your sunscreen, grab a good book, and get ready to enjoy a day of sun, sea, and relaxation at one of Pelion's most beautiful beaches. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 epic road trips through Greece that will leave you speechless. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches, Greece has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your friends, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Comment below and tell me which road trip you're most excited to take. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.